beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for giving me a great big thumbs up, hitting that subscribe button, clicking that notification bell, and all the beautiful comments that you leave me down in the comment section below. It means the world to me. I am going to be doing a quick little tutorial on how to get this hair look. It is something that is a go-to for me. It brings everything back off my face and keeps everything neat and clean. My back of my neck is cool throughout the day, and it just makes everything really easy for me. So if you are interested in how to get this look, let's keep watching. All right, ladies, I have my two little hot buns creator thingies. They come in a pack of two. There's a small one and a large one, and I usually use the larger one just because it gives a bigger bun, and I don't know, it just makes me feel comfortable, so that's what I do. And my hairstylist is probably gonna have a conniption fit if she watches this video, but this is what I do to make my hair get up into that little bun that I do quite often. Very first thing that I like to do is spray down all of my hair, just all around the outside, so that all those pieces will get in there. And this is probably the part where my stylist would be like cringing hugely. Anyways, then I take my brush. I've got my little wet brush here, and brush all of my hair forward and start gathering it up over on the side here with my left hand. I am right-handed, and just pulling everything together into a ponytail. Okay, so that is nice and tight. Now I will take my little comb and just make sure that everything is pulled and looks really clean. We'll do the same to the back. Here's the view from the back, just in case you're interested. So pulling all that up. Then I've got these really great elastics from Goody. I find they last amazingly long, and what I do is just take it, wrap it around my hand twice, then go up and grab my ponytail, pull it through. These things are huge, so that's doubled already, and then come around again, and then come around again. Okay, so that is really good and tight. It's secure up there. Then I grab my large hot buns creator and take my hair and pull it right up to the very end and wrap that around underneath, and then start rolling down. Okay, then I take it, bring it around. There's a little snap in there. I hope you can see that. Snap it into place, and then start pulling the hair around the bun. My final step is to take a little bobby pin and gather kind of where the two points meet, and then stick that little bobby pin in there to hold everything together, and there we have the bun. So hope that was helpful. I absolutely love these things. I found these off of Amazon, and that was my second time of purchasing. The very first time I got them from the Pacific National Exhibition, the fair that comes to Vancouver once a year in summertime. And actually, I think the very first, so this is my third go round. The very first time was from my mother. She gave that to me as a gift. So yeah, there we go. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next upload. And remember, ladies, say it with me: I am enough. Love you.